Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A4 radio without keys. First, gather your tools like trim removal tools and screwdrivers. Always protect your dashboard with a soft cloth to prevent any scratches. Understanding your specific Audi A4 model's dashboard layout will make the process smoother and quicker. Be prepared for a straightforward but careful procedure. To begin, carefully use a plastic trim removal tool to pry around the radio's bezel. Work slowly to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the trim is loose, you will typically find several screws holding the radio in place. Remove these screws, usually Torx or Phillips head, and keep them safe. This step exposes the unit for further disconnection. With the screws out, gently pull the radio unit forward from its slot. Be mindful of the wiring still attached at the back. Reach behind the unit to disconnect all electrical connectors and the antenna cable. These usually have release tabs you need to press. Once everything is detached, you can fully remove the radio from the dashboard opening. When reinstalling, first connect all wiring harnesses and the antenna to the new or old radio. Make sure each connection clicks firmly into place. Carefully slide the radio back into the dashboard opening, ensuring it aligns perfectly. Replace all the screws you removed earlier, then snap the trim bezel back into position. Test the unit to confirm proper function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.